everybody. Hello. I'm back again today for something very special. Today I'm going to show you how to make the foundation of Haitian cooking. What is it? Well, it's the famous Haitian Epis. One time I said that word, somebody thought I was talking about A and peace. No, it's only one word. It's Epis, which means in French spices. Okay, so I will be showing you today what we put in our food, all the spices that goes in it to make it the Haitian Epis. All right, are you guys ready? Well, let's get busy. You know it. Hey, I think you have a good shot. I think so. There we go. Let's see if you got a good shot. There it is. Okay. All right, let's get started here. Now, the typical Haitian Epis when I was growing up didn't have too many things in it. Okay? So, first thing you need your green onions. Okay? If you can't find green onions, you find leek. That will do too. That will give it a very good flavor as well. So I'm adding one here. Okay? And this is parsley. Even if they look distressed, don't worry about it. They are perfect for Epis, okay? We're gonna wash them very nicely and then use them. Okay, so basically in Haiti, when I was growing up, we will use this, the leek or the green onions, the parsley, and the garlic, of course. I mean, you cannot have it without the garlic. Those were the main 3 ingredients we would use. Now, let me show you what we use to, whatever, mix them together. It was right there. Okay. We would use a mortar to mash everything. But now, we are fancy. We're gonna use a food processor. Again, this is the basic: garlic, green onions, leek, and parsley. If you have only these 3 things, you're good to go. Now, as we evolve, we start adding more stuff to it for more flavors. Onions. We're gonna use onion. I'm gonna use all these peppers here. All these different colors. Okay? Peppers for extra flavors. Now, that will be basically it. Now, recently, I started adding extra herbs. I'm gonna put rosemary. Okay? Sage. Oh yeah. Thyme. Oregano. Okay, I'm gonna add these herbs to my Epis for extra flavor. All right, so I'm gonna get all these things washed, cut up and everything, and we're gonna start the blending process. See you back in a bit. Okay, so we got everything cut, washed very nicely. Okay, see, I have a big bowl here. All right, so everything is washed and cut up. All right, so for the herbs, I try to take the leaves and throw the stem out. Okay, so this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna put them in our food processor here. So you just go like that. All right. Put a little bit of This. All right, and then a little bit of garlic. Okay. Now, do not use water to blend this. To help the machine a little bit, we are going to use some oil. All right. I have some grapeseed oil in this thing. You can use any oil you want. All right. Put the lid on. Now, this is gonna make some noise now. I'm gonna let you have some music so you can dance, okay? All right, there we go. Now, I wish you could smell this. Now you can imagine all the herbs in there. Oh my God. This is amazing. I'm making a lot because I'm gonna freeze it. All right, I'm gonna leave a jar in the fridge and then I'm gonna freeze the rest. All right. All right, now let's do the second, another batch. That's how you do it, okay?
Ha ha. Getting busy with the beat. Abonné. Partagez. Like. Getting busy with the beat, with the beat.
Okay. Now, what we are going to do, we are going to mix everything together, okay? In order for all the goodies to mingle together. As you could see, this one has more garlic in it. Alright. Take that out. Oh, one thing I forgot to mention, guys. Make sure you wear gloves for this. Otherwise, your hands are gonna smell Epis for days. Even if you wash it, the garlic is gonna be there. So you may wanna wear some gloves. As of a habit, I always like to cook with gloves. So, just a habit. Alright, so let's mix that up together. Alright, see? Alright. That camera is showing the thing very light. I don't think it's that light. It's like a yellowish looking in real life. But this camera is so sharp, it's showing that thing so light. Keep that in mind. Alright, look at that, it's showing it so light. Okay, so we mix that up together. So what I like to do, I like to use some old jars that I keep. Alright. Hang on. There you go. I have some old jars that I keep. I like to buy, let's say, when I get my tomato sauce for spaghetti or something, I like to buy them in the glass jar so I can keep the jar. Alright, so let me grab a spoon. Alright. So there you go. So this is gonna go into the fridge. Usually people, I need to get me some big funnel here. I'm gonna make a mess. That's for sure. Alright. That's not working. Let me get this one instead. Alright, there you go. Alright, can you see? Alright. You jar this baby. Alright. Take that out. Alright. This is gonna go in the fridge for daily use. Alright. Then the rest is going to my freezer. Alright, so I'm good here. Look at that. And I'm gonna wash it and everything. Make it nice and clean. Now I have another thing for this. Old plastic containers. Any old plastic containers you have, you use, that's gonna go into the freezer. Alright. So when you start getting low, you take it from the freezer, put it in your fridge. Okay? Alright. I'm afraid of putting the glass jars into the freezer. I don't know, it might explode or something, I don't know. Alright, so this is it. Now, if you were close by, I could have given you some extra. You know what? I'll have some locals here. When they see that video, they might want some. Let me put some in some little jars for them. Let's see. All right. Can you tell I save jars? I save jars, you know. Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you learned something today. Alright, so now there's no more mystery about the Asian Epis. Okay? And that pretty. And that pretty. Alright, so there you go. So go make yourself some Haitian Epis, and I'll see you in the next one.